Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can merge grid cells in your presentations, mind maps and boards on Miro step by step. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so as you can see, I added this grid view here to my mind map. If you don't know how to access these grids and how to add them to your presentation board, guys, this is how you can do it. Navigate to the plus button at the bottom of the customization panel. And here, simply search for the grid. There you go, for example. So click into it. And after that, position your grid. So let me go with that area here, left click into it. And now you can resize your grid just like that, like any other object. You may add more cells to it here vertically and horizontally by using these buttons, add a row and add a column. Let me go with 5 by 5. And that's it. You may also resize your cells automatically or manually. Change the board color. You go with standard black. And after that, customize the font and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to customize a cell of your grid, guys, simply left click into it and double click into it and add content to it. If you'd like to merge two more cells, guys, simply click into one of them, second one, third one, and all of that while pressing and holding left shift. That is going to select all of them. Let me go with these 6 cells here. And after that, click into this button, merge cells, and that is going to convert these six cells into one, as you can see. And that's it. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.